Welcome to Crafty Hints. I'm Chantel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're coming back, it's amazing to have you back. Thank you for coming. All right, so I went to the Dollar Tree and I was very surprised to see the wall of ornaments. Oh, friends, look at these ornaments. They are adorable. There's some ones that we saw last year, but I think they brought back the good ones. I also see some new ones. So I'm going to let you take a look just so that you will get an idea of what's out there so you can develop a plan for your next trip. There was also these gift bags. So most of them looked like it was just snowmen. So I kind of dug through them a bit. There's more snowmen. What else can I find? So I continue to dig through. Oh, station wagon. That's fun. Wait a minute. Let me get it. There it is. It's that truck. I think I love the red truck. Now, this is a little more cartoony, but I had to share it with you. So I kind of thumbed through the little bags here, and I'll let you watch the rest of my shopping trip. Okay, I wanted to share a few things that I did pick up at the dollar store. I also had a friend that grabbed a few things from the dollar store for me that she thought I might like, so that was really nice. So these wooden stickers, they didn't seem to have for fall, but we do have them for Christmas. So you have snowflakes, gold stars, and Christmas trees. There is stockings, candy canes, and mittens. I think these would be fun, you know, for our DIYs, but they'd also be great for kids to color. Could make magnets out of them. Oh, we've got a rogue Christmas tree here. So there's snowflakes, Christmas trees, and gifts. And then I thought that this one would be nice if you use some of the tracing paper. Not the tracing paper. The paper you can put underneath and trace around and put it on something. I thought that might make a couple fun things. It's another fun thing that I did with my mom as a kid. I may even just show you that so that it's something you can do with your kids. So I thought that was another good find. I found it in the color books area. So now if we get to the ornaments, which I thought would be handy. How cute are those? Oh my goodness. Those will be so much fun. Even if you just put it on a gift for someone, I think they're adorable. And then we really liked the pumpkins, so I thought some stockings would be nice. You could put your family name on them. So many things you could do with them. And here's some matching little trees here. I'm not sure if I showed you these already, so I wanted to make sure and show those because I'm afraid these bottle brush ones will go awful quick, as you do get 8 in there. So there's that. Let me just move these out of the way for you. Oh, I think I already showed you stockings. I also got some snowflakes. These are a couple of the ribbons that I got. I think I might have shown you those, but I just want to make sure to show you that it is 9 feet. And I thought that these trees might be nice as well. I think that you can do other things with those. Look at this church. Now, I know you saw that in the video earlier, and some of these you've seen, but these are a couple of the items I wanted to share with you so that if you decide you like a craft that I make and you might want to do it yourself, you have an idea of a few things I'll be using before they're gone. Now, this also has the buffalo check ribbon, and then this one's a faux pine cone. I might just have to put a real one on there. And these bells, I thought I could paint those. I'm not real excited about the tinsel here, but I think that there is lots of things we could do. And wouldn't that be cute in the middle of a wreath or something along those lines? And again, these are the plastic pine cones, but they don't look terrible. They might even look cute with a little bit of chalk paint on them to look like a little bit of snow, and it has the faux berries. I got these thinking that I could probably brush off some of the glitter. Yes, I know that is a lot of glitter. And actually, I'm going to go back because after I looked back at the video, I saw that there was Merry Christmas as well. So if you get 5 or 6 Merry Christmas, that might be something really handy to do with our projects. So along the line of the truck, there's this. And this is something that my friend Brittany picked up for me. She knows I love that red truck. So she got me some of the red truck lights. I'm not sure quite what I'll do with them yet. They might even just decorate my desk for work. I also have a full-time job outside of DIYing, so they might just be fun there. Okay, now this was just something fun, and I don't know if you'll have them at your Dollar Tree, but my son is a Packers fan, and they had these batteries. Now, isn't that a cute stocking stuffer? So I got him double A's, I got him triple A's. So I thought those would be nice. I probably should have gotten some for my brother-in-law as well. Now, I also grabbed a few of these trees. Now, every tree needs a tree skirt. Is that not the cutest? Oh my goodness, I love it. My friend picked that one up, and she picked up this one for me. I'm not, if you look at it, it's actually glitter, but I think maybe I would just go over that with red paint so it isn't so glittery, and not sure what I do with that part besides maybe putting some red felt there, just so, because it has that burlap, and we might want a little more of a country feel. Now those trees are really sparse, so I did get some of these garland wired ties. So, you know, you can use them to do ribbon and things like that on your banisters. But those are my ideas for them so far. Oh, here's one other little light set. I like those snowflakes. I think those are really cute. Be cute on a wreath. Like a white and blue wreath. That might be pretty. Goodness, this is starting to pile up, guys. Good thing I'm not the only one buying this. Okay, so this is also the Season's Greetings, but it does have that there. Like I reminded you, you can get the wood from the Home Depot. They'll cut them for you several times. It's like it's less than $2 to get. I think it's like 8 feet, so that's a better deal. But these can be handy if you're trying to get something quick, or you like the sides of it for another project. I'm not sure about this, but I thought with Christmas coming that red tubing might be nice. If not, then it could go on to Valentine's Day. And then there's an array of these pom-poms. There's 90 of them. Red, white, and green. Another good one. I'm pretty sure I showed you these. I'm sorry, this is starting to get messy here. Pretty sure I showed you these. It's a Peace, Joy, and Believe, just like last year. But I want to make sure that you know the items that I picked up. There are some fun signs that are starting to appear. Now, I think he's really cute, but if I flip it over and it's a Christmas bulb, I think that will also be fun. And she also got me Peace on Earth. And I saw this scarf, and it's like polar fleece, and it's just cute. I thought even it would be cute on a snowman even. That's not a country Christmas, but it's an adorable Christmas, right? Oh, I found one more ribbon. Now, I'm going to grab a couple other things that I'm going to show you, because this matches something else. It'd probably be a little bit too much to put it on there, but there is gift wrap like this, and it's from Hallmark. So you might want to grab it before it's gone. It's a really tall gift wrap. I will show you in just a moment. So a couple things I wanted to show you. Everyone loved the wooden houses, and I still have one that I haven't done yet. But here's another version of it. Now, I would probably take these off and use those for maybe something else, or pass them on to my niece or something, but we do have the back of this house. So that's an opportunity. And I believe in my very first YouTube video for you guys, I did one of these signs, and I found several more. So there are those teacher signs, and you use polish remover with acetone. This comes off, so I'm thinking of making a Christmas sign with it. I think that would be pretty. I think it was Kristen K that I saw that found these. But it has the wooden beads up top that are, really good with the farmhouse decor. Seem to be a real trend. They had white and black. They only had 3 of them, so I did get all 3. I usually try to leave some for others, but if they only had 3, I'm guessing that everybody else has gotten to them. Now, here's the other one, and I think you're going to want to grab these. Now, am I in love with these cactuses? No, but bear with me. Okay, so this frame, if you flip it over, it is actually a shadow box. Now, it just pops open, we are going to make a fun Christmas shadow box with this. I think that is just so fun. It did have just a little bit of glue to hold it in there, not much. So there is that. And, oh, I did find this gift bag. Now, it is a little bit cartoony, but Dollar Tree is just doing some amazing things. I mean, this is just adorable. If nothing else, it'll be wonderful for a gift, but I think it's very cute. Here is that Hallmarked gift wrap. So not only do they give us wonderful movies and cards, they've got some wonderful gift wrap. So nice. Now let's look at this. So it's only 30 square feet, but you know, you're getting 3 feet. Yeah, so it's like 3 feet high. It is a really long one. So 3 feet by 3 yards. So it's really long. It would be great for those long gifts. And I did want to show you a couple other things that my friend found at Dollar General, because look at these stickers. For $1, it has farm, spruce pine fir, free cider and hot cocoa. And then over here, it has like Christmas tree. So I'm sure it's going to be Christmas tree farm. I don't see a picture there. Oh, I guess right in there is kind of how they put it together. So really nice for $1. We will be making a sign there. They also had this hand towel. And she got me a plate. And another plate, so a bigger plate. And then she got me a platter. I thought that was just so sweet and thoughtful. Christmas is coming early here. So, tell me down below, when do you want me to start showing you Christmas items? I have just a few Halloween because I don't celebrate Halloween a whole lot. I did celebrate it some with my kids. I'd take them trick-or-treating, but you know, there's aspects of it that I didn't do a whole lot with Halloween. So, I have a couple items then. I'm thinking that I'll continue into a week or two of October because I do have some more fall projects. But tell me what you would like to see. Do you want to see a country Christmas? Do you like traditional colors? What would work best for you? What would you love to see? Are you doing different parts of your home in different colors? Do we want just the white, and are you doing white and blue? So, Christmas is coming soon, guys. Before we know it. I know, it's not even October yet, but these fun items are headed our way. So, thank you so much for watching this video. And again, leave me a comment down below so that I can give you the content that you want and enjoy. Thank you. I think I forgot to remind you, if you do find joy in my videos, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so that it alerts you for more joyful videos. If you truly like and adore them and you know another crafter, please share that video. It really helps my channel and brings more people to enjoy it with us. Thank you.